Hi, in this session I would like to inform you about the verified email patterns and how we can find them without pinging their server. This is important because if we look for emails by just typing into Gmail and trying to send over to the recipients, it's highly likely we will be put in a spam list and we will no longer be able to send them emails. So there's a way of verifying the emails in a much shorter way. So what we need to do, here's a little file that we prepared. We can type in the name and the last name of the person and the domain name. And then the system is going to just tell us all the possible combinations of email addresses that we can type into the recipient section of Gmail. So here I am, I'm typing all the email addresses, but I don't know which one of them is actually the right one. So here's a little extension that I actually installed to my Chrome browser, and it's called Vibe. So if I just hover over an email address, then I can see whether it's a legit, a verified email address or not. So I'm just going to go one by one quickly, and whoop, there we are. This is my guy. So this is the person that I actually want to contact. So if I go into the details, I can see his information, that he has 10 followers and he has many views, and I can see the school that he went to. I have the legit email address and I can just go ahead and send over him my request for contact information.